Confinement from the city, surrounded as days repeat. Earnest your I see, with a gaze as grounded as your feet. Now somebody's wish flies free, your body's under its greed. Your arms hold the key, embrace its every need. And as it goes you forgive it all, despite choking as you chuck the fall. Your neck so painful as you hear the call, and yet still through your heart and over skies, a dragon soars through the night. Behind as it flies, a bridge forms from prism light, opening beyond the light of worlds closed off, gone from strife, severed from confines by your bright night. You feel it from your heart, it's just about to start. Torn apart, late, let your book restart. When you find the end of the endlessness,